Well, hey again, everyone. This is Bob from Hot Rock Central, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to hook up a multi-S balancer. Now, this is a Heltec balancer, and I got it off of eBay. And when I got it in, went to start hooking it up, I realized, well, I've got a 12S battery here, and this is a 12S to 16S balancer. So there's going to be some extra wires left over. So I'm thinking, all right, well, what am I going to do with the extra wires? So I contact the seller, and because there's nothing on his side about what to do with it. And after that, then I go over to Heltec's site, and Heltec's got nothing on their site about what to do with those extra wires. So anyways, the seller gets back to me, and he can't find out any information about what to do with those extra wires. So I have to waste my time and contact Heltec and find out what to do with those stupid extra wires. Well, finally they sent me something back and said, well, you just leave them loose. You don't do anything with them. So, all right. The thing is, if you're a Joe Blow customer, like me, over here I've got this JBD BMS, and this is a 6 to 21 SBMS. So on their site, they specifically tell you that all the extra wires that you have left over, you tie them together. Okay. So if I'm Joe Blow consumer thinking, well, that's what the JBS does or JBD does, that's probably what I'd have to do with the balancer over there. And if you would have done that, I don't know for sure because I didn't do it myself, but a good chance you could have blew up that balancing board. So, I mean, that's vital information that Heltec should have on their site that's not there. And why it's not there, it's really stupid. I don't know why they don't have it. So anyways, after I got the information, I got it hooked up, and everything was working just fine. But being that this balancer is a multi-plug balancer, you got to be real careful how you hook your wires up. Now, the first time I hooked it up, I had it exactly right. No problems. It was working beautiful. Second time I hooked it up, well, the first time I hooked it up, I had all these wires dangling all over the place. There was like spaghetti all over the place. So anyways, I got everything trimmed up, looking neater and all that. Went to hook everything back up, and I made the mistake on this plug down here. This is where the 4 extra wires that I'm going to use for the rest of the batteries left over. And I exactly reversed those wires. And after I plugged it up, it wasn't about 2 minutes later that one of the capacitors blew out. It just went poof. So anyways, you've got to be real careful how you wire this up. Pay close attention. All your connections are in small print underneath the connector here, from B1 all the way to B16 all the way down there in the bottom. And so just make sure that you've got all your connections connected to the right points on your battery. So anyways, I think that's all I've got for this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you again on the next one.